everybody, it's me, Farmer Olivia. Today I am here because whenever I think of Christmas, I think of this sound. That sound is jingle bells. We can hear them on Santa's sleigh, we can hear them in Christmas music, and oh, it's just so much fun to play. Do you have anything at your house that you can shake? Ooh. We could shake all sorts of things. We could shake a little jar that makes noise. We could shake some dry rocks or some beans. There's lots of things we can shake. So if you have something in your house that you want to shake, why don't you go ahead and grab it? If not, maybe you want to learn how to make something that shakes. So before we do our craft today, make sure that you have a grown-up's help so that we can do this together safely. This right here is my paper plate. I have cut it in half and I have put staples all around the bottom so that nothing falls out, but there is still a hole here at the top. So we can fill this with anything that we think is gonna make a nice shaking sound to match our Jingle Bells song. So you can use rocks, you can use little stones. Today I am gonna be using beans. These are just little dry beans that you can buy at the grocery store. And I'm gonna go ahead and put them inside of my paper plate. Just right in here. Now we don't want to use too much or it won't make a very good shaking sound. So once we have all of the beans inside of our paper plate, that when you shake it, it starts to make sound, then our grown-up is going to take the stapler and staple it nice and closed so that no beans can escape. All right, and here's my shaker. You want to hear what it sounds like? Let's listen. Yay! So now I have something to shake during our Jingle Bells song. Alrighty, my friends, are you ready to sing Jingle Bells with me? Grab your shaker, grab something that makes noise, and let's go ahead and get started. Are you ready? Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. We're dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to laugh and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! Yay! Good job, everyone. Thank you for helping me with my Jingle Bell song. Happy holidays from my little farmer, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!